one of the things you might notice in the Mitsubishi Pajero is that the window does not work, right? So no matter what you try, sometimes it will come down, sometimes it will not. And the idea behind it is, you might think it's one of the root causes could be the mechanism inside is broken, but most of the time it is the switch. So if the sand comes in the switch, you might try to take it out, clean it, get it sorted. If it doesn't work, then you will have to replace the switch. And this is what I'm going to do here to get mine sorted. So let's go for it. To get this out, you will simply have to take this one out. So one of the basic ways is if you can have a switch, or you just delicately put something underneath it here and just pull it up. You can see it will start to come out very simply. All right, so that's what you will have to do. So the idea is that you will have to take this one out, and then at the bottom here there's the clip. You just press on the clip here and voila, this will come out. So what you will simply have to do is take out these screws and replace it with a switch. All right, so try to clean it first of all, and if this doesn't work, then try to use a replacement switch, and there's the plug for it right here. Already I have ordered a replacement switch, which I will take this one out and install it in its place. Okay, and let's do this now so we can install the switch. All right, so what we do is we take the first screw out, we take the second screw out, just simply remove this, get the new one, simply put it in its place. Okay, and then you put the screws back on as we had taken them out. The second screw in. After you've installed the two screws in, just test it to make sure it's in the right place. You take the connector again, just plug it back in, as I'm going to do now. You should hear the click. And then you just simply, there are two clips here and here, simply press it in, and that's it. Let's try. And as you can see you can't see from the window now, the switch is now working and the window is going down. And voila, that's it. That's how you repair the broken window, and it's working. Thank you very much. Simple as this.